Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to share with you something regarding the WordPress Storefront theme that is the official theme for WooCommerce. So this is the Storefront theme and I want to share with you how you can make this menu on top to be right aligned which appear on the right side on the same row as the logo. If not, you will seems to be wasting some of the space over here on top. Okay, so I'll make it the whole menu to right align beside this logo and also remove this card. Okay, so I will show you how you can do that. So go to dashboard and we are going to install a plugin. It's called WP code. I already have it installed, but I'll just show you how you can find the plugin. So when you type in WP code, you can see that this is the one. This is the plugin for you to insert a snippet. So I've already installed and activated it. So once you have activated this WP code, you can scroll down, you'll see this code snippets and click on add snippet. Over here, you can just choose add custom snippet, click on it and choose PHP snippet. So then the title, I would say right align menu and remove card header. Okay. And the coding, I have a notepad over here. This is the code. So I will copy and paste this code in the description below so you can have a link to access the codes as well. So once I paste in the coding, activate the coding by clicking here so that it's activate and also click save snippet. So once you have saved the snippet, you can go back to your website, do a refresh, and you can see that now it aligns very nicely on the right of the logo and the entire hero image you will see more of it as well. So it is more neat and more space saving. So I hope that this tip is useful for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.